Hello, my name is Mindy Chmielarz, and this is Alicia Paulino-Grisham. We are the founding partners of Disability Insurance Law Group. Today we want to discuss the 4 most important things to remember when communicating with your disability insurance company. Alicia, what would you say is the first thing a claimant needs to remember?
Never say never. Be careful with your language. Insurance companies frequently take information out of context and lull claimants into not fully or accurately explaining their limitations. For example, an insurance company may ask a claimant with a back injury, "How long can you sit?" An unprepared claimant may assert 20 minutes. If the insurance company conducts surveillance and sees that claimant sitting in a car in a traffic jam for 45 minutes or longer, they will often claim that the claimant is exaggerating their condition, while in reality, the claimant cannot sit longer than 20 minutes without a significant increase in back pain. So be careful with your language and thoroughly explain your limitations. If you're only given a multiple choice question, write an explanation in an addendum or on the side of the paper.
The second thing a claimant should know is to memorialize all communications. If you speak with your insurance company, make sure you send written proof of what was said and save the email, fax receipt, or proof of mail delivery. Very often, the claim notes do not accurately reflect what the claimant told the insurance representative.
The next thing to look out for is the surprise communication. Insurance companies like to catch claimants and their physicians off guard. They train their representatives to ask questions in such a way that it limits claimants and their physicians from fully and accurately explaining the claimant's limitations. This often happens in surprise telephone calls, field interviews at the claimant's home, or by rushing the claimant or their physician into completing misleading forms. Carefully consider every question posed, and if the right questions are not asked, you have a right to add that information anyway. You have a right to also require that your attorney be present during all interviews.
This leads us to the last thing claimants should know. Remember, you do not have to go it alone. It is best to seek legal representation before you or your physician speaks to the insurance company. We prepare our clients and their physicians for all communications with the insurance company and attend all in-person and telephone interviews.
If you have questions regarding your disability insurance claim, or you or your physicians are being asked to complete forms or be interviewed by the insurance company, give us a call and we'd be happy to discuss your rights.